This wonderful room style on ships of that great age of ocean travel somewhere between the two world wars. And we on board here reflect, or aim to reflect, a voyage that reflects a glorious time sometime in the past. Cunard just made its name on transatlantic voyages, and we have just completed our 200th voyage across the Atlantic. But since the 1920s, Cunard has also been doing voyages to Norway. What countries so close to Britain and yet so different and so beautiful in the summer can there be to visit? I deeply regret that we have had to take Geiranger out and substitute Ålesund. The reason is exactly as I put in my letter. We cannot securely anchor the ship in there with the other ships that are in there on that day. But I will go so far as to say I'm confident that we will show you so much really good Norwegian scenery on this voyage, as well as all that we offer on board, that you will leave with the best of memories. Now, Cunard is also about a very cosmopolitan group of passengers, and you, in this voyage, reflect that as well. Amongst the 2,649 of you, we have 45 different nationalities. Although some of the numbers are quite small, just one or two in a larger group does add so much to the interest and vitality of the atmosphere. From the United Kingdom, we have 1,933 people, rather to be expected sailing out of Southampton. But from the United States, 319. Many of whom joined us in New York for that 200th crossing will do this voyage and then travel back to New York with us. In addition, from Canada we have 43, Germany 35, Taiwan, a group of 30 here, Ireland 28, Australia 25, France 24, Thailand 16, now they're a long way, Israel 15, Spain 10, Romania 9, Norway 9. Does that surprise you? It just shows that it's the ship itself that people come to see. Switzerland 9, Malaysia 7, Ukraine 6, Portugal 6, Hong Kong 6, Russia 5, Japan 5, Sweden 4, Singapore 4, Mexico 4, Brazil 4, Argentina 4, and then the numbers trail off. But what an eclectic group. To look after you, there are 1,234 of us. And our aim is to deliver what we call our White Star service. Sort of service that started back in 1927 when Cunard took over White Star Line and adopted their service style. And now it's my pleasure to introduce you to the senior officers and managers.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our dinner this evening, a sparkling night of entertainers, the Royal Cunard Singers and Dancers, the first big lavish production show of the voyage, Viva Italia in the Royal Court.